Tesla has once again revolutionized the world of robotics with the unveiling of Optimus Gen 3. This cutting-edge humanoid robot represents a major leap in AI-driven automation, promising to reshape industries and redefine the way we interact with technology. As Tesla refines its vision for a future powered by intelligent machines, Optimus Gen 3 brings us closer than ever to fully functional, human-like robots that can perform real-world tasks with precision. Optimus Gen 3 is Tesla's most advanced humanoid robot to date, featuring significant upgrades in mobility, dexterity, and artificial intelligence. The latest iteration showcases an improved design, smarter AI capabilities, and a more refined set of movements that make it the most realistic and functional version yet. Tesla's goal is to integrate Optimus into everyday tasks, ranging from factory work to home assistance, pushing the boundaries of what AI-powered robots can achieve. Tesla has designed Optimus Gen 3 with a host of impressive features that set it apart from previous versions. The robot now moves with greater speed and balance, thanks to upgraded actuators and a lighter frame. Its walking motion is significantly smoother, allowing for better adaptation to different environments. AI and machine learning enhancements give Optimus Gen 3 improved decision-making capabilities. The robot can now recognize objects more accurately, interact with its surroundings more efficiently, and learn from its experiences to optimize performance. One of the most remarkable upgrades is its dexterous hands with 22 degrees of freedom, enabling it to handle intricate tasks such as sorting objects, grasping fragile materials, and even playing the piano. Battery life and energy efficiency have also been optimized, allowing for extended operational periods without frequent recharging. With a more refined neural network, Optimus Gen 3 can autonomously correct errors and adapt to changing conditions, making it a more reliable and independent assistant. Tesla envisions a wide range of applications for Optimus Gen 3 across multiple industries. In manufacturing and logistics, the robot is expected to take on repetitive tasks, streamlining production processes and reducing the need for human labor in dangerous environments. Within homes, Optimus Gen 3 could assist with daily chores, support elderly individuals, and even provide companionship. The healthcare sector stands to benefit significantly, with potential applications in patient monitoring, medical equipment handling, and physical therapy assistance. Agriculture is another key area where Optimus Gen 3 could revolutionize operations by planting, harvesting, and sorting crops with high precision. In retail and customer service, businesses could employ humanoid robots for inventory management, customer engagement, and store assistance, enhancing efficiency and customer experience. As AI-powered robots become more advanced, discussions around their impact on employment, ethics, and accessibility continue to grow. While Optimus Gen 3 presents exciting opportunities for automation, it also raises concerns about potential job displacement in certain industries. Tesla's challenge will be to balance technological progress with workforce adaptation, potentially creating new job roles focused on AI oversight and robot maintenance. Affordability is another crucial factor. Reports suggest Tesla aims to price Optimus Gen 3 at approximately $10,000, making it one of the most accessible humanoid robots ever developed. However, questions remain about when it will be available for mass production and how quickly businesses and households can adopt it. Regulatory and safety considerations will also play a vital role in shaping the robot's future. Tesla will need to ensure that Optimus Gen 3 operates securely in various environments, preventing potential risks associated with AI-driven automation. Elon Musk has made it clear that he envisions a future where humanoid robots are as commonplace as smartphones. With each new iteration of Optimus, Tesla moves closer to realizing that vision. If Optimus Gen 3 proves successful, it could pave the way for widespread AI integration into everyday life, transforming how industries function and redefining human-machine collaboration. For businesses, now is the time to explore how AI-powered automation can enhance operations. For individuals, understanding and adapting to a world with humanoid robots is becoming increasingly important. Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 is more than just a technological breakthrough, it's a glimpse into the future of AI-driven automation. While mainstream adoption may take time, the rapid advancements in Tesla's humanoid robot suggest that a new era of robotics is fast approaching. Would you trust a Tesla robot in your home or workplace? How do you think AI-powered robotics will shape our world? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI and robotics.